Gold traded bearish yesterday despite all the uncertainties prevailing, despite all the conflict situations. Gold has not shown a sign of aggression, sign of bullishness here. Yes, we have seen it erasing the gains 3440, 3450, yet proven out to be a greater resistance zone, and we have seen it moving all the way towards the support at 3380 levels. Can we say that the lows are done, and with the rising uncertainties, can we expect gold prices to rise today? As also you can see, silver prices stayed in a very narrow zone, not showing any signs of either bullishness or bearishness. So what to expect today from gold and silver? We're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. I'm not only going to give you the levels, but also going to give you the reasoning behind each and every level. And this is the only channel to do so twice a day. The next update will be released before the US session. Do not miss to watch. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, we'll look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till the end. First, gold on the hourly charts. You can see the moving averages have crossed over on the sell side, and you can see this after getting resistance first at 3440, 3450. We have seen it dropping here. 3410 offered it a little support, then 3420 now a resistance. After that, a good drop. Now, see, this is how it is moving as of now. It is moving in a retracement channel. Yes, it is very important for gold price to trade above 3410. If it stays beyond 3410, 3420, you can say that the bulls are back. As long as the prices stays between 3410, 3420, you should not be treating gold price as bullish. Yes, as long as now today 3410, 3420 zone is respected, we can still expect bearishness to prevail here. Look at the hourly charts here. After the crossover, this is the strongest resistance, and the support on the downside is pretty strong till towards 3380. That is pretty clear. If you see the stochastic, this is cooled down, while the MACD after a good retracement, it is on the verge of a crossover for a buy. This means slight bullishness. The RSI is rising, which is again a good sign for the bulls. Coming to 2-hour chart, on the 2-hour charts, notice, uh, yes, after bearishness, it is showing reversal. It is trading in a zone. Potentially, it can move towards 360405. Or in fact 3610 levels, beyond which slight bullishness can be seen, and then you can expect it to move towards 3420 levels. So I'll recommend you to buy. If you see it staying beyond 3405, you can buy here and expect it to move towards 3410 and then 341820 levels. Also notice what is happening here. Look at the formation here. Every rise offsets with a retracement, every rise offsets with a retracement, and this is the lower band of this channel where the lows are fixed at 3350 levels. So only and only if gold trades below 3380, 78 zone, you can say now the bears are back, and we can look forward to a correction here all the way towards 3350 and in fact lower levels. Right now it is staying in the zone. Stochastic rising from the oversold zone. See, this is what we discussed yesterday. Look at the highs here. This is the third time gold price is striking here on MACD. We have seen it reversing, and this is the third wave here. There is still room for further drop, but I can see it convergent here. So potentially it is trying to reverse. Let's see. Only beyond 3604, 340405, you can expect it to rise. RSI has dropped here. Coming to 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts, 50 period offered it a very good support, and this zone I have mentioned yesterday as well, 3380 level should offer it a very good support. It has moved towards the zone, now trying to rise. Now notice this preceding candle, a swing candle. Current candle is starting with the lows. Potentially it can move higher. In fact, it can regain the losses from this candle, which means 3420 could be there, but I can see a lot much of a struggle here. Look at this. See the 20 period offering a greater resistance for any upward move here. Thus 340405 is what it needs to break in order to sustain the bullishness. Stochastic rising from the oversold zone. The MACD is still bearish after crossing over at the top. RSI almost flat. On the 4-hour, similar observation here on the 4-hour chart. See diminishing bearishness, then symmetrical candle, and the current candle showing or starting off with the swings here. I'll definitely watch out where the current candle closes and how the next one starts. A move beyond 340405 should confirm the next move towards 3410, and then in fact it can keep moving towards 341820 zone. From there a reversal can be initiated. Look at the formation here. This is how it is trading, delivering good waves here, and the bottom of this channel is somewhere here at around 3350. Stochastic at bottom. The MACD has crossed over here, trading with divergence and bearishness, looking downwards, still having lot much of bearishness left, while the RSI is staying flat. Coming to daily. Now on the daily charts, see this. first, second, and this is the third attempt. We have drawn this yesterday. See the top of the channel, and you can connect the lows here as well. See, this is how it has been trading. There could be an attempt by gold of moving towards the bottom of the channel. Now notice it has shown a reversal. This is the first red candle. Today, though it is started on a bearish note, but I will say, as long as now 33, 20, 25 levels are not taken, we should not be treating this as bullish. Beyond 33, 25, 26 is where the bullish 34th, 20, 25 levels are breached. You can say that the bullishness might increase there. So right now it is positioned in a indecision mode, and a drop below 33.80 should confirm the next move, which might be strongly bearish, which can take the prices all the way towards 33.60, 33.52, 33.36, or in fact 33.20 levels. Possibility is there. A stochastic overbought trying to cool down. The MACD is placed at the bottom. It is flat here, neither bullish nor bearish. RSI is flat as well. So see, we have seen the charts and indicators. Under 5 minutes we have analyzed and arrived at the levels. You can also learn this art of trading. You can join my 33rd mentorship batch, now starting on 30th of June. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or telegram for your queries. Those looking forward to just trade as per the signals can be part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me for your queries. And once you have your trades in place, it is very, very important for you to have a trusted partner where you can trade safe. The partner which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe. You can find the trusted partner link in the channel and video description. So now, see, it is placed in a beautiful position where we have to decide the direction it wants to take, and we have to take a position. Now only bullishness, only buying trade I will recommend is at 34.0405 zone, where we can expect it to move towards first resistance at 34.10, 34.12, and the next at 34.1820. If these two levels are taken, we can stay bullish for 34.26, and if 34.26 is taken, potentially we will be heading towards 34.40 and 34.50 levels. Very, very difficult now for gold to break 34.50. Only and only if it trades beyond 34.50, you can just stay bullish. Potentially it might in fact move towards 3500 this time if gold stays above 34.50. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 33.88 levels. Below 33.88 you can take a sell. Expect 33.80, 82 zone, and if that is taken, we can expect further downside move, and this time the move is going to be strongly bearish, which is going to take it all the way towards 33.64, 33.52, and then 33.36, 33.20 levels are also possible. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Now let's move to silver. Silver again stayed in a zone, neither bulls nor the bears taking over. See, lower highs are seen, higher lows are seen, consolidating here. It is very, very important now for silver to trade either below 36.20 or to trade above 36.60. As long as it stays in the zone, you should be careful with the positions here. Moving averages are trading with moderate bullishness. Stochastic is rising. The MACD is trying to cross over for a buy. The RSI is rising as well. Coming to 2-hour charts, you can see this. See, staying in a zone, waiting for a breakout, lower highs, higher lows. Wait for it to stay beyond 3660, 3680 zone. This is the most critical zone on the upside. And now on the daily charts also, I have analyzed and shared that till 3580, 36 is not taken, do not treat this as bearish. As long as silver price is confined within this zone, do not treat it as either bullish or bearish. We have to enjoy the swings here. Stochastic has dropped, trying to rise. The MACD is also at bottom. It is neither bullish nor bearish. The RSI is looking upwards, showing signs of slight bullishness. Coming to 3-hour chart, see what's happening on 3-hour charts. After this dip, see 50 period offering it a support here, and now you can also see this consolidation. So we have to wait for a breakout. That is pretty clear. The stochastic is rising. The MACD has seen the bottom here. It is flat at the bottom. RSI is showing signs of modest bullishness. A modestly positive slope is seen here. Look at the 4-hour charts here. See the drop here, then a pullback, and see none of the candles have closed below 36, and this is the zone where it is struggling as of now. Notice 3 candles green, 3 red, now taking the support from the 20 period, trying to bounce back. I will wait for silver to trade beyond 3660 levels and 3680 levels. This is the zone it needs to break. Stochastic has dropped here. The MACD is also dropped and it is placed at bottom. RSI is flat. Coming to daily charts. Now look at daily. What has happened on daily charts? Look at the last few days candles here. Diminishing bearishness is seen, and from diminishing and after diminishing bearishness, you can also treat this as reversal, because see what has happened yesterday. It has formed a double bottom, and then a greener candle has appeared. Now today it is started off with the higher lows. So once it breaches 3660, you can expect it to deliver a strongly bullish candle. Remember, this is a retracement, and once it breaks out, it is going to deliver another bullish move here. But not if it trades below $36 levels. This could also mean a greater down move here. Yes, because see, it is trading with little divergence from 20 period, and it is possible for silver to erase some of the gains. Right now, it is placed beautifully. It is neither bullish nor bearish. Stochastic rising, the MACD is in green, trying to converge and crossover. RSI overbought as well. So, looking at this, buying entry in silver is only if you see it is staying beyond 3660 levels, and then too with the caution tilt towards 3680-85. If these two levels are taken, we can aim for 3720, and then in fact 3780 levels will be there very very soon. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 3620 levels. When you see the higher price below 3620, take a sell. Expect 36 as the stronger support. Below 36, more bearishness might prevail. Below 36, we can expect 35.75. And if that is taken, then 35.40, $35 levels are going to be the next targets. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my Signals channel, reach out to me for your queries, join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. See you again before the US session with more updates. Do not miss to watch it. Thank you.